ELECTRA, one of Europe's leading charge point operators, is expanding its high-power charging network across Germany. With more than 800 distribution system operators and varying grid requirements, scaling fast means navigating significant complexity. To keep rollout speed high while staying grid compliant, ELECTRA needed a new approach.
As Germany has 18 federal states, we have quite a complex bureaucracy in place, but the same is for the grid operators, the so-called DNOs. 866 of them with different technical requirements. You can imagine that takes a lot of time to make something work. We're primarily looking for a partner that has a mindset on continuously wants to improve their products. FLEXECHARGE has recently released a product called FLEXBOX that supports us on a scalable rollout. It's a hassle-free solution that we can install on all our sites with the different requirements. One size fits all, basically. We plan projects across the whole country, and we need a solution that is hassle-free and one size fits all, basically, for all DNOs, so we can focus with our projects on what matters the most for us, usability.
By deploying the FLEXBOX, ELECTRA standardizes grid compliance across regions with one scalable solution. The result? Faster approvals, predictable rollouts, and the confidence to scale without grid complexity slowing them down.